Getting a GLP-1 prescription online can be quick and convenient, but a new study suggests it could also come with surprisingly little medical oversight. Researchers created a simulated patient profile that met the criteria for a GLP-1 prescription and used it to seek prescriptions from 49 websites between August and December 2025. The results? 45 of the sites prescribed the medication and 34 mailed it. Most websites didn't require the patient to speak with a clinician. Only 13 required a video visit with a clinician, and just 3 required a phone call. Instead, researchers say prescriptions were often based on online questionnaires that may not capture important clinical and social history. Many of the meds were approved in 5 minutes or less, even when required photos were missing. The authors say while online platforms have expanded access to GLP-1 drugs, some appear to prioritize quick prescriptions over comprehensive care. They warn limited clinician involvement, especially when prescribing compounded GLP-1s, could increase the risk of medical and financial harm.